give the Grinches a 10 out of 10. Whew. Yo, what's good, guys? What's good, guys? I found a cool little spot, but the bad thing is the batteries that I thought I charged up are actually dead, including this one is flashing at me right now, so I'm gonna have to probably go back to the phone. And I just killed my phone today at the gym doing those Grinches and curries and all of that. But I'm back up here on the at the parking garage. So I'm gonna try to get on the roof and see if I can get the drone up and all that fun stuff real quick. But I gotta turn this off because there's no more filming time left. So go ahead and like the video real quick. I kind of like it up here. It's kind of private, you know. Gotta switch to the phone, man. I hate doing that, but I gotta switch to the phone. The phone's okay for visuals, but I hate talking to the phone because the phone's mic picks up everything around me. Love the shoes, by the way. These are coming out pretty soon, I believe. I'll probably be cool with this pair. I'll try to hit on retail, you know, just to see. But these are heat. These are heat. I tried to downplay them when I first seen them, and there's no downplaying them. Yes, they got like that fragments because we just got the fragments. I don't know why I'm thinking of that, but yeah. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Yakety schmackety. Yo, peace and love, guys. What's going on? This is actually the same day of me editing the Grinch video, so make sure you check that one out. I actually didn't have much on-foot footage for this sneaker. As you can see, like the battery died, and that kind of threw me off. And I was just like, all right, let me just film in this little alleyway. And it was getting dark. It was just a mess. So there really wasn't like a story like I used to, you know how I do. It just wasn't very, wait a minute, music, please. There we go. I don't know. Doesn't matter. But we have the Jordan 1 Heritage. They are coming out May of this year, 2020, on the 25th for $170. If I do hit on them, I'll make another video. If I don't, I'll be happy with these. I know these kind of give like the Travis Fragment vibes, and I don't know which one I like better. It's not about liking either one better. I think they both look dope, and I like that Nike didn't try to do too much. This is a good example of Nike just making a good, clean, classic sneaker and just not trying to do too much with it. And this pair I have in my hand has really good quality. I ain't gonna lie. It has the quality kind of like the Pollens, like that really soft leather. Like these are really soft, not cheap soft. Because there's some shoes that look tumbled and soft and they're like kind of cheap feeling. These are soft. Like I'm gonna hang on this shot for a minute so you can just kind of take all that softness in. I mean, look at that. The back looks good. This shoe is actually surprisingly done well. I don't know why I'm so surprised because and the weird thing is they're not even going for much. Right now you can get these on StockX, I think for $180. And after all their silly fees that they charge, you're coming out the pocket $200+, but that's not much for this kind of Jordan 1. That's actually really low for a Jordan 1. Here's the toe box. I think the toe box that I just showed is a bit more puffier, and this is hyper analyzing. It's a bit more puffier than this one. This one's the slimmer one. But that's actually the toe strap. Here's the toe box actually, and they look good. I mean, look at that leather. Just look at it. I'm surprised. That looks pretty good. I'm not really gonna, nitpick that too much. Don't really care. But here we go. The right one is just a little bit more, I don't know, it's just higher. The other one, and again, this is hyper analyzation. This doesn't matter. I'm just pointing this out for the sake of the video. There's some people out here that's going to spend money on these sneakers, and all those little details matter when you're spending this kind of money. These were sent by I can't remember, but they're great people. They're sweethearts. They actually sent me another shoe. I'll show them here in a minute. But the red laces, I probably will not put those in. The black laces look pretty good too, but I figured that was too neutral. And I just like the white laces. I don't know why I just do. So I'll probably have the white laces in them. There's that little detail. And let's go ahead and take a look at what are we gonna find in the black light. Let's see. This is kind of make or break a Jordan 1. Here's the other shoe I'm gonna be doing from the same company. But this usually I'm having a hard time. Hard time. All right, it's probably time to change the battery in this thing. All right, anyway. So just looking at these, I was thinking, yeah, for sure, there's going to be some marks, maybe a stamp. I haven't seen too many stamps lately, but it depends on who's sending you these sneakers. And, man, these look pretty good. There's, like, nothing on these. There's not even a lot of glue spots on them. Huh, that's interesting. Maybe because these aren't so sought after. It's just kind of crazy. Like, you put a backward swoosh on these joints, and it changes the whole dynamic of the shoe. They're hyped. You put like a little. Has anybody actually used that little pocket in the Travis Scott highs? Has anybody ever used that? Because I don't even like opening it. Like the collar, even around the collar. Who's actually putting stuff in their Travis highs? Like, I don't know. But anyway, there was nothing on this sneaker. There's no stamp. I had to go over there and check the box. I usually check the box when I don't find anything on the shoe. I'll look at the box, because a lot of people in the resale game, they usually go to the box first because that's the easiest giveaway. Little nugget right there. But that's it, guys. Peace, love, and light. Thank you to the gifter. Stay tuned. I got a few more videos on the way. Peace.